evaluate factorial. We have 8 factorial over 6 factorial. First, let me remind you, when we have symbol n factorial, represent the product of the first n positive integers. So this is n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times until 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So when we have 8 factorial, we can rewrite that this is 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over, and when we have 6 factorial, we can write that this is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And now, because we have multiplication in numerator and denominator, we can reduce 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, this whole expression in numerator with denominator. So this is equal 8 times 7 is 56. Or you don't have to rewrite this 8 times 7 times 6 to 1, because in denominator we have 6 factorial, so we can start, let me write this example, 8 factorial over 6 factorial. One more time, because in denominator we have 6 factorial, so we can write this 8 factorial, that this is 8 times 7, and now you don't have to write 6 times 5 times 4 times 3, 2 and 1. We can write that this is times 6 factorial. Why? Because in denominator we have 6 factorial over 6 factorial. And now we can reduce just 6 factorial with 6 factorial, and we have 8 times 7, this is 56. This is my solution.